Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice iconic silver coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, as well has the tow and haul package and bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do have that nice towage, rear park sensing, backup camera. We do get a nice tailgate step as well. Mud flaps on the rear, a nice gripped running board with the trailer tow mirrors, blind spot detection, and a camera on the side mirror. You also have mud flaps on the front, a nice black hood deflector, two tow hooks, license plate bracket, front park sensing, as well as we do get a block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle seats up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, plenty of door space, cup holders, 12-volt, 2 USB-Cs and 120, and of course if you need more space you can lift the seats. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have powered seats, the same cloth interior we saw in the back there, plenty of door space. We do get BLUECRUISE as well, parking brake, lights, spotlights on your mirrors, and tailgate open on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 10.2 kilometers. We do have a nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control right there. Looking at our main screen here, we have My View, Trip and Fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To my right, we have a fair bit of storage. You do get a nice little storage cubby underneath, cup holders, more storage with the USB and USB-C, leather-wrapped center console with tons of storage underneath. You have your drive modes plus rear locking differential, four-wheel drive, trailer disconnect, pro trailer assist, heated front seats, dual climate, 12-volt and 120. You got storage above as well as below. Storage right there. We do get a nice rear window opener as well. And here we have our auto stop, auto start, 360 view of the vehicle, park assist, hazards, and traction, and BLUECRUISE right there. Looking at our main screen here, we do get our audio with Sirius XM capabilities, phone, navigation, your fave apps, messaging, email, Wi-Fi hotspot, or whatever you have selected there. Apps in general, or any apps you have downloaded, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE75054, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.